In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIF in Excel for conditional totals. Start by opening Microsoft Excel from your Start menu or from the taskbar depending on where you normally launch it. Once Excel is open the workbook you want to use for this calculation. Take a moment to look over the data on the sheet so the layout is clear before entering the formula. For this SUMIF formula, Excel will check the category values in one range and then add the matching amount values from another range. In this sheet, the category information is in cells A2 through E13, and the amount values are in cells C2 through C13. Click cell E2. This is where the SUMIF result will be displayed. Now begin typing the formula. Type equals SUMIF, open parenthesis. This tells Excel that you are starting a SUMIF function, which adds numbers only when a condition is met. Next, select the range A2 through A13. This is the range where Excel checks for the condition. After selecting that range, type a comma. The comma separates the condition checking range from the condition itself. Now type the condition as exact text. Type double quotation mark, electronics, double quotation mark. Excel will look for the exact text, electronics in the selected category range. After that, type another comma. This separates the condition from the range that Excel will actually add together. Next, select the range C2 through C13. This is the range Excel will sum when the condition is met. In other words, whenever a row in the category range says electronics, Excel will take the amount from the matching row in the amount range. Now type a closing parenthesis to finish the formula. The complete formula is now ready to calculate. Press Enter. After pressing Enter, Excel calculates the total for every row where the category is electronics. Click back on cell E2 so the result is visible. The cell should return 2,200. That means the amounts connected to electronics have been added together correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. The key part to notice is that SUMIF uses three pieces: the range to check, the exact condition to look for, and the range to add. In this case, Excel checked A2 through A13, looked for electronics, and summed the matching values from C2 through C13.